Hi, this is Vijender Palkar, and today I'm sharing my presentation with you. This presentation will examine the Woolworths front stock procedure and how an IIMS inventory integrated management system can improve their efficiency and many more points. Let's start with introduction. I'm sharing my screen with you. Yeah, here it is. Let's start with introduction. Woolworths leads the Australian retail sector with more than 100 supermarkets and a variety of items available to a large number of customers. Since Walmart relies on thousands of suppliers, uses distribution centers, and has numerous stores, precise inventory management is vital for them to operate smoothly. At the moment, the system creates problems such as too much inventory, out of stock items, and a lot of discarded goods. Most of these issues come from not having real-time oversight and proper system hookups among suppliers, warehouses, and stores. Things like unused inventory and delays in restocking happen because data usually stayed locked up in different places. For closing these gaps, this presentation calls for the creating on an integrated inventory management system. It will rely on various technologies, for example, using two sensors to monitor in real time, cloud platforms to share the details of inventory, and productive analytics to forecast demand and arrange replenishment. Woolworth can achieve better teamwork, less waste in its operations, and increase the reaction to market changes by ensuring its inventory data is consistent across all parts of its supply chain. The purpose is to control stock amount, provide product whenever they are needed, and serve customer without issues. The IIMS is expected to assist in meeting Woolworth aim of efficiency, sustainability, and satisfying customers with more effective management of its stock. If we talk about the next point, this is system needs and analysis. The company's inventory management is manual in some areas, is not yet completely connected between stores and warehouses. Every location understands only bits of stock situation, which marks it's hard to respond in time to demand changes. Warehouse systems haven't improved enough to match the data from POS system, so it still takes too much time to replenishing high demand items. Overstocking takes place if the demand for a product is guessed wrongly, whereas stock out happen if there is a gap understanding what is needed in the supply chain. A fast way to conceal inventory will contribute to less theft and fewer products being wasted. Move to the next point. Proposed system design, a UML diagram. This system will be set up in the cloud and permit model to interact with the main stockholders, store managers, warehouse workers, suppliers, and administrators. The use of IoT, Internet of Things sensors allows for the continuous monitoring of stock amount. Cloud storage is used to hold this information, and AI is utilized to look at past trend and give use guidance for replenishing resources. This system allows store workers to review stock levels and order more. Um, and I think higher ups to study line performance for the business. As a result of using APIs, transaction data can be sent to the central database without human intervention. The main cause that are reflected in the UML, this is Unified Modeling Language. Use case diagrams are checking inventory, generating restock orders, working with supplier information, forecasting demand, and creating reports. In these models, actors are store managers, suppliers, inventory analyst, and system admin. Um, However, its features and functions. Woolworths use the IIMS multiple features to ensure its inventory operations are streamlined. With the help of IoT sensors and barcode scanners, the system is always aware of the number of items in a store. This means there is no need to physical count of stock to see the current level of each product. AI tools review data about past sales, customer preferences, planned promotions, and each session's user trend to predict what will be needed shortly. This lead to better purchases and avoid the problem of overstock product. Using machine reduce the time of people spend on the job, increase how precise it is, and reduce possible delays. The dashboard enable inventory analysts and managers to access real-time information, notice and reports they can customize. Um, this is benefits and advantages. Woolworth is likely to obtain many important benefits from IIMS. Accuracy in inventory data is predicted to rise by I think almost 95%, mainly because of IoT monitoring and having data stored centrally. Reliable data allows stores to restock the correct item and avoid selling out of the most sought after products. Automating simple repetitive tasks like checking stock, ordering more, and conducting sales help the staff focus on their work rather than handling many administrative tasks. AI knowledge helps you choose the right product and assists in running your inventory more effective based on future demand rather than what has happened already. Reducing waste in helpful as more accurate forecasting prevents store from overstocking items such as fruits and vegetables. Uh, this last but not the least is conclusion. All in all, Woolworth stock or control procedure is not advanced enough to help it expand further. The fact that stores, warehouses, and suppliers are not joined makes the system less efficient and lead to missed potential. The project IIMS is built to solve these issues by providing an effective and reliable solution. It bundles POS points of sale system, IoT equipment, forecasting methods, and links to suppliers into a single interface. This system make management of inventory easier, more precise, and more cost effective in line with Woolworth's retail intention. This system could be uploaded in the future with blockchain technology, making it possible to follow each product journey from supply to sales points and improving both food safety and recall procedure. Also, using warehouse robotics and automated picking system can cut down on errors and make labor activities more efficient at the distribution center. This is all about Woolworths. Thank you.